You love me, right?
I love you.
Then let's get together.
Okay, the first step in getting together is...
we get together to find a time to get together.
So let's get together to find a get-together time to get together.
Can you get together now?
No, I'm not together enough to get together now.
So when are we ever going to get together to find a get-together time?
Oh, Philip, for the children's sake, we should get together.
We don't have any children.
We gotta get together.
Get to know each other again. Nothing brings you closer than the Mexican food and mood of El Torito. Come together. Now make your relationship sizzle with our new sizzling asada combos.